Hello, Chef here. I've got a real quick garnish idea for you. If you guys are doing appetizers or sushi or salad or whatever and you want a quick little garnish, here's one you've probably never seen before. So I'm going to take a piece of celery like this and just give it a couple of cuts. First I'm going to give a little bit of more of a cool profile and just decorate it a little bit. My scraps, by the way, are going to go in chicken stock. This is always used for something, okay? Just a real quick garnish for you right here. A downward cut like this right here. And a couple of these cuts, pretty cool. Very simple. Anybody can do this. Okay, you need a sharp knife, of course. And there we go. You see what I've done so far. Cool. And then these baby carrots. I'm not a fan of these peeled baby carrots. I'd never buy these, by the way. Someone gave them to me, so that's why I'm utilizing them today. So the baby carrots, we're going to just do some thin slices like this. And we're going to put a few slices of our carrots in each of the cuts that we've made already, like this. Okay. Just like that. Okay, so that right there is my carrot celery. Cool, huh? Yeah, I better show you one more. So if you're stuffing your celery on the opposite side, very simple. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut a little off at a little angle like this. Save these scraps, of course. It's all going to get used. And I'm going to just do another quick pattern, something like this. And then this is just going to add a little more coolness and a little different texture, but people are going to go, wow, never seen that before. Hey, that's right. Here you go. That's a pretty cool looking piece of celery right there. And then same deal with the carrot. So you want to switch it up and add a little carrot. We're going to just do a couple thin slices. Man, I'm talking thin slices. Look at that. So I don't think you can go any thinner than that. Not if you're moving quickly. So this is my second carrot celery garnish. You know what? They're not staying on there, so let's add a little slit down the middle here. Okay, I'm actually planning for you to stuff this with some Boursin cheese or cream cheese or something along the lines like that, but just for now I'm going to wedge these in like this, okay? Okay, there you go. 2 celery carrot garnishes. Nice. A little bit of Boursin cheese or herb cream cheese in there. You're set. You've made some appetizers now. If you can create these that cost very, very little. Thanks for watching. Support your sponsor. Have a great day. Yeah, from another angle. There you go. Pretty cool. I like them, and you can use these, like I said, catering or at a party. Very simple, very, very inexpensive. Yeah.